Shalom, garden family. My prayer is to one day be able to grow potatoes so that I don't have to buy them from the store. I've been trying and trying to grow potatoes, but I have no luck. This is just a classic potato and onion. What do you call it? Some people call them hash browns. Some people call them, I can't remember the name. Um, Anyways, it's just I want the potatoes to get nice and crunchy, and I always manage to like smash them up a little bit, to help them get that little crunchiness in them. But then over here I got my turkey bacon. Now with my turkey bacon, I always start off with a little bit of olive oil, right? And then my secret is adding a little bit of liquid smoke on top of them to get that smokiness, right? And secret number two is once you've flip them over enough in order for them to do what you want them to do, which is to get the consistency that you want, the crunchiness, I go ahead and splash some maple syrup on top. That maple syrup does, besides sweeten it, is it makes them crunchy. Not really crunchy, but it gives it a little body. And not to mention, it's absolutely delicious. And I usually make it with my grits, but this time I'm going to make it with my potatoes. And I am going to add them to the potatoes once they get done. So the secret to these also is to just, make sure you keep flipping them. At first, I'll be honest with you, when I first tried turkey bacon, I was not a fan, like a lot of us. We were not fans. And then after a while, you learn how to tweak them, You learn how to figure it out. So I figured it out. And like I said, I always add a little bit of oil. And then I put that liquid smoke. And then I put that syrup. I wasn't going to add the syrup to this, but I'm going to do it this time so you'll see what I'm talking about when I tell you what it does. I think the syrup really makes it turn the corner, so to say. Some of our southern grandmothers and southern mamas would say, turn the corner, make it turn the corner. I'll go ahead and switch that out. I'm just getting a little cooked in it, more cooked than everybody else. I could have made this into a short video, but I didn't. But yeah, it's just about done anyways. I'm only going to show you up until I put the syrup on this turkey bacon. And then I'll probably go ahead and end the video. But this is what the potatoes are starting to get a little browner. I don't want the onions to get brown, which is what I like about this particular type of pan. Had I had it in my cast iron pan, those onions would be brown, almost burnt by now. So this pan here does wonders. This pan here is really good for making scrambled eggs. Because this pan, for some reason, I don't know what's about it, but it doesn't stick. Nothing sticks to it. And everything cooks evenly. And that's what I like about it. Okay, back over to these. So these are about ready now for the maple syrup. And I just have some ordinary maple syrup from Costco, right? And I just drizzle a little bit. If I got any more in here, it comes out. Yes. You see that? See what it does? And you just flip it again, flip it again, flip it again, and flip it again. And there you have it. Your maple bacon. Maple turkey bacon. Now, mind you, this will candy in a minute. So it will not be flimsy at all. Because I turned off the fire. And they're just going to go ahead and candy themselves. So maybe I'll call it candy turkey bacon. Because that's all it's going to do. And I'm going to turn the fire up on these potatoes. Because they're done. They're cooked. I just want them a little browner. And again, I don't want my onions to be too brown. Okay? So, thank you for coming to my channel. I get so excited for some reason. I just have no idea why. But thank you for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like. You don't have to necessarily subscribe, but if you do watch the video and you don't want to subscribe, at least like it. Thank you so much. Remember to always do your best. Be blessed. Grow something. Grow your own, eat your own, cook your own, and share it with us. All praises to the Most High. Shalom.